Hello, grade 4 children. How are you all? Look at here. There is a girl. What's the name of this girl? She's Meena. Hi, I'm Meena. Hi, I'm Meena. Meena යාව introduce කරලා දෙනව නේද? Hi, I'm Meena. And look at here. There is a birthday cake. Today is Meena's birthday. Shall we wish her? අපි යාට wish කරමුද? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Meena. Happy birthday to you. When is your birthday? It is on 8th July. අපි මීනගෙන් අහමු මීනගේ බර්ත්ඩේ එක තියෙන්නේ කවදද කියලා. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? කොහොමද මීන උත්තර දෙන්නේ? It is on 8th June. It is on 8th June. කවදද තියෙන්නේ? 8th June. When is your birthday? It is on 8th June. When is your birthday? It is on 8th June. When is your birthday? ඔයාගේ බර්ත්ඩේ එක කවදද? It is on ඔයාගේ බර්ත්ඩේ එක කවදද කියලා කියන්න. කොහොමද කියන්නේ? ඩේට් එකයි මන්ත් එකයි කියන්න. මීනාගේ නම් 8th June. It is on 8th June. It is on 15th May. It is on 10th July. It is on 5th October. තමන්ගේ බර්ත්ඩේ එකට ගැලපෙන උත්තරේ කියන්න. When is your birthday? It is on 5th August. Write an answer. Now write this question in your writing book and write the answer. මේ ප්‍රශ්නය ඔයාලගේ පොතේ ලියලා ඊළඟට ලියන්න උත්තරේ. It is on කියලා ඔයාලගේ බර්ත්ඩේ එක ලියන්න. ඊට පස්සේ ඔයාලා ඔයාලගේ යාළුවන්ගෙනුත් බර්ත්ඩේ එක අහන්න ඕනි. කොහොමද යාළුවගෙන් බර්ත්ඩේ එක අහන්නේ? When is your birthday? යාළුවගෙන් බර්ත්ඩේ එක අහලා it is on කියලා බර්ත්ඩේ එක ලියන්න. Now look at here, there are two children. This boy asks, when is your birthday? ඔයාගේ birthday එක කවදද කියලා මේ girl ගෙන් අහනවා. Girl කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? It is on 17th May. කවදද birthday එක? May 17. 17th May. When is your birthday? It is on 17th May. When is your birthday? It is on 17th May. Now take out your workbook and turn to page number 78. Page number 78. Talk to your friends. When is your birthday? It is on 17th May. Mark their birthdays on the table below. Name of your friends. What you have to write here? You have to write the name of your friends. යාළුවගේ නම මෙන්න මේ උඩ ලියන්න. නිසාල් කියලා තියෙනවා. ඊළඟට මේ පේලිවල ඔයාලගේ යාළුවගේ නම ලියන්න. And these are the months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now ask the date of the birthday from your friend. යාළුවන්ගේ බර්ත්ඩේ එක තියෙන දවස අහලා month එක ඉස්සරහින් කැලපෙන date එක ලියන්න. July 7th නම් යාළුවගේ නම මෙතන ලිව්වා. මාසේ July 7th කියලා ලියන්න. ඔයාලා දන්නවනේ දැන් date එක ලියන විදිය. First, second, third, fourth ඒ විදිහට ලියන විදිය දන්නවනේ. අන්න ඒ විදියට මෙන්න මේකේ යාළුවගෙන් අහලා fill කරන්න ඕනේ. කොහොමද යාළුවගෙන් birthday එක අහන්නේ? When is your birthday? කොහොමද යාළුවට උත්තර දෙන්නේ? It is on. It is on 5th June, 7th July. Likewise, give the answer and fill this table. After that, look at the page number 76 of your pupils book. අච්චු පොතේ 76 වෙනි පිටුව බලන්න. There is a song. Let's sing. Now listen and you also sing. Sunny, 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 sunny. It is sunny in the sky. S-U-N-N-Y, sunny. It is sunny in the sky. Cloudy, 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 cloudy. It is cloudy in the sky. C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy. It is cloudy in the sky. Rainy, 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 rainy. It is rainy in the sky. R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. It is rainy in the sky. Windy, 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 windy. It is windy in the sky. W-I-N-D-Y, windy. It is windy in the sky. Now we also sing this song. ඔයාලත් මේ සින්දුව කියන්න. Now in this song there are 4 weather conditions. What are the 4 weather conditions? Sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy. In this lesson, you are going to learn about 4 weather conditions. They are sunny, cloudy, windy, and rainy. How was the weather like last week? Look at the page number 75. Lesson 6, page number 75. කොහොමද කාලගුණය ගිය සතියේ? How was the weather like last week? Monday, it was sunny. Tuesday, it was cloudy. Wednesday, it was cloudy. Thursday, it was windy. Friday, it was rainy. Saturday, it was rainy. Sunday, it was sunny. Monday, ගිය සතියේ සඳුදා මොන වගේ කාලගුණයක්ද තිබිලා තියෙන්නේ? හොඳට ඉර පායපු කාලගුණයක්. It was sunny. අඟහරුවාද තිබිලා තියෙන්නේ වලාකුළු වලින් අහස පිරීලා තිබුණු කාලගුණයක්. It was cloudy. එතකොට බ්‍රහස්පතින්දා හුලං හමල නේද? එතකොට එදා තිබුණු කාලගුණය it was windy. සිකුරාද සෙනසුරාදා දවස් දෙකේ වැස්ස තිබිලා තියෙනවා. එතකොට කොහොමද කියන්නේ? It was rainy. These are the weather conditions of the last week. Monday, it was sunny. Tuesday, it was cloudy. Wednesday, it was cloudy. Thursday, it was windy. Friday, it was rainy. Saturday, it was rainy. Sunday, it was sunny. Read these sentences aloud. මේ වාක්‍ය හයියෙන් කියවලා practice වෙන්න. Then look at here. Select and write. Here are 4 pictures of 4 weather conditions. Now you have to find the word from here. ඔයාලගේ ලියන පොතේ put the numbers from 1 to 4. එකේ ඉඳන් 4ට numbers දාලා then find the word from here. වචන මෙතනින් හොයලා and write the word in front of the number. Number එක ඉස්සරහින් ගැලපෙන වචන තෝරලා ලියන්න. Now tell me the answers. What is the first weather? Sunny. Sunny. Then this weather. Windy. This weather. What is the word? Cloudy. This weather condition, what is the weather? See. Rainy. Check your answers. Number 1, sunny. Number 2, windy. Number 3, cloudy. Number 4, rainy. Check your answers. Now, take out your workbook and turn to page number 76. වැඩ පොතේ 76 වෙනි පිටුව බලන්න. Listen and number. Now, I will read the name of the weather and the number. You have to put the number relevant to the given picture. කැලපෙන පින්තූරෙට මං කියන අංකේ දාන්න තියෙන්නේ. Listen to me and put the number. Now, I will tell the weather and the number. Number 1, rainy. Number 2, windy. Number 3, sunny. Number 4, cloudy. Again, I will read. Number 1, rainy. Number 2, windy. Number 3, sunny. Number 4, cloudy. What is the number here? Number 3. What is the number? Number 2. What is the number here? Number 1. What is the number here? Number 4. Check your answers. Number 1, rainy. Number 2, windy. Number 3, sunny. Number 4, cloudy. Now look at the next activity. Observe the weather during the week. සතියේ කාලගුණය නිරීක්ෂණය කරන්න කියලා තියෙන්නේ. Draw a picture. පින්තූරයක් අඳින්න. windy නම් windy picture එකක්. sunny නම් sunny picture එකක්. rainy නම් rainy picture එකක්. cloudy නම් cloudy picture එකක්. මෙතන draw කරන්න තියෙන්නේ inside these boxes. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday මේ දවස්වලට weather condition එක observe කරලා ලියන්න ඕනේ. Monday අපි හිතමු Monday තිබුණේ sunny දවසක් කියලා. එතකොට කොහොමද ලියන්නේ? මෙතන sunny දවසක picture එකක් draw කරලා then you have to write what you going to write here. It's sunny. It's sunny. මේ දවසේ rainy දවසක් වුණා නම් කොහොමද ලියන්නේ? It's rainy. It's rainy. It's sunny. It's rainy. Likewise, observe the weather during the week. සතියේදී කාලගුණය නිරීක්ෂණය කරලා ගැලපෙන දවසට අදාළ weather condition එක ඇඳලා ඊළඟට weather condition එක මොකක්ද කියලා ලියන්න. කොහොමද ලියන්නේ? It's sunny. It's windy. It's rainy. It's cloudy. Likewise, complete this activity. After that, next come to the next lesson. Look at the page number 77 of your pupils book. 77. Lesson 7. Now look at here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 clocks. Let's read these sentences. It's 6:30 in the morning. What's the time? 6:30. Look at the clock. 6:30. It's time to go to school. ඒ මොන වෙලාවද? පාසල් යන්න වෙලාව. It's time to go to school. Senuri is going to school. Senuri කොහෙද යන්නේ? Senuri is going to school. It's 6:30 in the morning. It's time to go to school. Senuri is going to school. It's 10:30. Look at the clock. 10:30. It's 10:30. It's playtime. Senuri is playing with her friends. Look at the picture. Senuri is playing with her friends. It's 1 o'clock. Look at the clock. 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. It's time to go home. Senuri is going home. Look at the picture. Now, Senuri is going home. It's 5:15. 5:15. 5:15. It's tea time. Senuri is drinking tea with her sister. Senuri is drinking tea with her sister. It's 8:45. 8:45. 8:45. It's time to go to bed. Senuri is going to bed. Senuri is going to bed. It's 6:30 in the morning. It's time to go to school. Senuri is going to school. It's 10:30. It's playtime. Senuri is playing with her friends. It's 1 o'clock. It's time to go home. Senuri is going home. It's 5:15. It's tea time. Senuri is drinking tea with her sister. It's 8:45. It's time to go to bed. Senuri is going to bed. Okay, now look at the clock. It's 6:30. It's 6:30 in the morning. It's 6:30. Here, what's the time? 10:30. It's 10:30. What's the time? It's 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. What's the time? 5:15. It's 5:15. What's the time here? It's 8:45. 8:45. It's 6:30. It's 10:30. It's 1 o'clock. It's 5:15. It's 8:45. Read these sentences and tell the time. මේ වාක්‍ය ටික තනියම කියවන්න. ඊළඟට මේ clocks වල දාලා තියෙන වෙලාව මේ වාක්‍ය කියවලා ඔයාලත් කියන්න මේ time එක කීයද කියලා. Okay, now look at the page number 79 of your workbook. Page number 79. වැඩ පොතේ 79 වෙනි පිටුව. What is your favorite time? Color the clock. ඔයාලා කැමතිම time එක මොකක්ද කියලා අහන්නේ. What is your favorite time? Color the clock. What you have to color? You have to color the clock. Clock එක තමයි color කරන්න කියලා තියෙන්නේ. What are the 3 times? Bedtime, playtime, tea time. This is the bedtime. What is the time here? 9 o'clock. Here, playtime. What is the time? 10:30. And this time, tea time. What is the time? 5 o'clock. Now, you have to color the clock. That, what is your favorite time? You have to color the favorite time. ඔයාලා මේ තුනෙන් කැමති time එක color කරන්න දෙන්නේ. Bedtime, the playtime, the tea time, the මේ තුනෙන් මොන time එකටද ඔයාලා කැමති කියලා color කරලා පෙන්නන්න clock එක. Then look at the next one. Listen and mark the time. Now I will tell the time. You have to mark the time. මම වෙලාව කියනවා ඔයාලා මේ ඔරලෝසු වල වෙලාව mark කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. Listen and mark the time. Now listen to me. I will tell the time you have to mark. First one, it's 7:30. It's 7:30. Next one, it's 9:30. It's 9:30. Third one, it's 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. Next one, it's 4:15. 4:15. Next one, it's 7:45. It's 7:45. Again, I will tell. First one, it's 7:30. It's 9:30. Next one, It's 2 o'clock. Next one, it's 4:15. Next one, it's 7:45. Now, let's look at the answers. First one. What is the first one? It's 7:30. It's 7:30. The next one, it's 9:30. 9:30. 9:30. Next one, 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. Next one, it's 4:15. 4:15. Next one, it's 7:45. 7:45. Now check your answers. 7:30, 9:30, it's 7:30, it's 9:30, it's 2 o'clock, it's 4:15, it's 7:45. Okay, now what you have to do next? Next, you try to make a clock face. Clock face එකක් හදන්න. ලස්සන විසිල් බෝඩ් එකක් අරන් රවුම් එක කපලා then put the numbers from 1 to 12. 1 to 12. Put the numbers like this and make a clock. Clock එකක් හදන්න මේ විදියට. Clock එකක් හදලා ඊළඟට ඔයාලා අදිගෙන ගත්ත වෙලාව කියන විදිය නේද? ඒ clock එකෙන් ඔයාලා මේ පොඩි කටුව පැය කටුවයි මිනිත්තු කටුවයි එක එක තැන්වල තියලා වෙලාව කියලා ඔයාලා ප්‍රැක්ටිස් වෙන්න ඕනේ. හැමෝම මේක කරන්න. කොහොමද අපි කියන්නේ? වෙලාව එකේ තියෙනම් 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, පොඩි කටුව 3, ලොකු කටුව 12 නම් 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. එතකොට පැය භාගයක් ගිහිල්ලා නම් කොහොමද කියන්නේ? It's 1:30, it's 2:30, it's 3:30, it's 4:30. විනාඩි 15ක් ගිහිල්ලා නම් කොහොමද කියන්නේ? It's 1:15. පොඩි කටුව එක ගාව it's 1:15. It's 2:15. 45 ගාව නම් තියෙන්නේ කොහොමද කියන්නේ? 9 ගාව නම් තියෙන ලොකු කටුව කොහොමද කියන්නේ? It's 1:45. It's 2:45. It's 3:45. Practice telling the time වෙලාව කියලා practice වෙන්න. Okay children, today you learned 3 lessons. ඔයාලා අද පාඩම් 3ක් ඉගෙන ගත්තා. What is the first lesson you learned? ඔයාලා මොකද මුලින්ම ඉගෙන ගත්තු පාඩම? Today you learned how to ask the birthday. Birthday එක කොහොමද අහන්නේ කියලා ඉගෙන ගත්තා. කොහොමද අහන්නේ? When is your birthday? It is on කියලා birthday එක කියන්න ඕනේ. ඊළඟට next you learned about weather conditions. 4 weather conditions. What are the 4 weather conditions? Sunny, cloudy, rainy and windy. And also you learned how to tell the time. වෙලාව කියන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා ඉගෙන ගත්තා. එක නම් අපි කොහොමද කියන්නේ? It's 1 o'clock. එකයි කාල නම් it's 1:15. එකහමාර නම් 1:30 නම් it's 1:30. 1:45 නම් it's 1:45. දෙක නම් it's 2 o'clock, it's 2:15, it's 2:30, it's 2:45. Likewise, you learned how to tell the time. ඔයාලා ඉගෙන ගත්ත වෙලාව කියන්නේ කොහොමද කියලාත්. ඉතින් ඔයාලා මේ දීලා තියෙන ඇක්ටිවිටීස් ටික කරලා හොඳට පාඩම් කීප සැරයක් කියවලා ඒ වගේම ටයිම් ක්ලොක් එකක් ඔයාලා හදලා ලස්සන ක්ලොක් එකක් හදලා ටයිම් එක කියලා තව ප්‍රැක්ටිස් වෙන්න ඕනේ හැමෝම. Okay children, then that's all for today. Let's meet with the next lesson. අපි ළඟ පාඩමේදී ආපහු හම්බ වෙමු. එතකන් ඔයාලා හැමෝම මේ පාඩම් හොඳට ප්‍රැක්ටිස් වෙන්න.